All right, go ahead. Nice and slow. Okay. Okay. All right, there's the beginning of the liner. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. All right, slowly. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, back it up. Yep, very good.
Cool.
All right, nice and clean, and cured all the way through. Beautiful looking pipe. Hold on, let me take a picture of that. All right. There's the pipe lined underneath the ground. There it is. All right. Bringing it back. Let's see why this is a really good system here to avoid the expense of having to reline the whole pipe. As you can see, that whole pipe was not in bad condition, and that really bad spot was there, and we could fix that with no problem. So thank you, Anthony. Thank you, John. Good job.
No problem.
On that.
Oh, yeah.
And we'll go ahead and finish putting that cleanup together, and then give these people back their sewer system for tonight. Remember, I didn't glue that part right there yet.
Okay.
Then we can kind of size that to there to see if that it comes to be the right length.
Glue it? You want me to glue it in?
You can glue it in, but let's just make sure it's lining up to that pipe first. Let me put it in there and make sure it's it's wherever it's at, it's gonna be lining up. Will it be? Yep. Very good. Okay. All right. Yeah. So go ahead and glue that 45 on there, or that 22 on there, and just kind of turn it just a little bit, so that the curve is more onto the side as opposed to the top. Okay. So where that 45 bend is more on the no, the way you had it the first way. Yeah, like that. Yep. Kind of put it sideways on the can of glue and you got.
Huh?
Yeah, just put it sideways a little bit. Right, so there you go. That's good. Yep. Turn it down just a little bit to the left there.
This way?
No, the other way. Towards the other, towards away from you.
That way?
Yeah, a little bit more. Yep. No, I mean away from you. Yeah, like towards the left. Yeah, there you go. Let's see. Let's see. Good. All right, so let me see that before you glue that. Let's put this guy on the new hub, the new one you got, and we'll slide it over the this part of the ABS pipe. Probably gonna have to loosen up the band.
Oh, it's right there.
Okay, let me see that pipe. What was done now was have made it easier for us to slide that onto there.
Yeah, I like that.
Down to the nitty gritty on the last bit of glue. Our last fitting to have to glue. He's got it. Yep. Oh yeah. Good, ready? Let it go. You good?
I got it.
So you got just a little bit of a gap, right? So what I'll do is we can just slide it there and just kind of slide that back. Remember, we're gonna put a fern coat on there, okay?
Yeah.
So when we do that, we'll be able to. But right now, we're good with making.
Yeah, we're good
right
like this,
there.
yeah.
We'll correct that when the fern coat comes off for that. All right.
Okay.
You have to loosen up that band. What is on?
It's on.
Got it on there. Cool. It's not on the bottom. There it is. All right, go ahead and knock on the door and just have her flush her toilet and check them. And then see if you want to, Anthony, see if you can just turn those clean us a little bit because they're a little bit off.
Just have her flush it.
Okay. Yeah, have her flush the toilets. Yeah. Go. Both bathrooms.
Did you flush the toilets for me?
All of both of them?
Oh, yeah. Hey, this man's not all around the hub. Yeah, all of them. No leakage.
No leakage. It should be solid.
Yeah, so tomorrow the guys can come and
Some risers.
put the riser on, put that switch out that mission band or that band right there with a for the fern coat.
One like this.
Yeah. Yeah, fern coat. And then put the risers on and backfill and compact it real good.
Ooh, can you help me on this? Yeah. The library.
All right, so we have a completion here of the clean out installed here. So as you can see, it is now complete. The water is running. Toilets have flushed. We have no leak. So we're going to put the board back over it, and we're going to come back tomorrow to backfill, put the risers on, and finish the job 100%. Thank you again for watching, and you enjoy the rest of your night. Thank you. Spartan Plumbing.